Tables. Most of the documents related to subjects such as technology, economy, sports, travel, leisure time, and many more tend to use tables to show information that needs to be packed. Word is a powerful software tool to make tables that comprises a wide range of possibilities to make them clear and attractive. First of all, we will make a typical table that we could find in a railway station. Count the number of columns and rows that you need to reproduce in the table. Click on Insert tab and select Table. From the form that slides down, you can drag down the pointer to select the number of columns and rows you need. You can also click on this form over Insert Table that allows you to set the number of columns and rows by numbers. Other possibilities drawing the table, but I don't recommend you this tool. It is only useful when you want to change some cells in a table that has been created in advance. Word also offers you quick tables pre-made. Once you have inserted the first table with 7 columns and 6 rows, have a look at the new tab that appears over the ribbon Table Tools that has another 2 new tabs, Design and Presentation. If you combine the new tools with the others that you already know, you can create very impressive tables. Secondly, we're going to deal with a more complicated table. This table is not a format table with a fixed number of columns and rows. As you can see, some rows have more columns than others. So we need to know how we add or erase a column or a row. Click on right mouse button inside a row and select Insert a new row over or below. You can also insert a column on the right or the left. We also need to know how we can move the width of the columns and the height of the rows. Place the pointer between 2 rows or columns. Once the cursor changes its shape, you can drag it away to make them bigger or fewer. It is useful to know how we can combine several cells into one or divide one into several. Select the cells you can combine or divide and click on Presentation tab to select Combine Cells or Divide Cells. If you select 2 or more cells and click on the right mouse button, you can select Combine Cells from the list that appears. Finally, we will be using the Drawing Table tool to set accurately some cells. From the Design tab, you will find 2 tools, Drawing Table and Eraser. Both allow you to draw and erase lines to create new cells. Remember that these tools are not suitable for creating an whole table. The text, which stays vertical, has been set in the Tool Text direction from the Presentation tab.